everybody. Hope you guys are well. It's Mary Meow, Miss Fixer. Welcome to 2025. So we have this wonderful patient here. Where are you from?
South Africa.
South Africa, which is a far away place. And we've got a positive diagnosis of fungal nail infection. But ultimately, we can see the nail is curved. We've got debris on the nail bed here. And also we've got a bit of hypertrophy at the end of the toe. So you can see this is raised up. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove the nail, clean the nail bed, and then see how the nail grows out. And then potentially in the future, if it gets a bit of distal nail embedding, we might do a Howard Dubras procedure, or that we refer almost to a podiatric surgeon. I think it's going to be really relatively easy to remove. I could be wrong. But let's see. So we're just going to loosen up the nail plate from the nail root. We do not want to push this too far in. We don't want to damage the nail root because that can cause more deformity of the nail. And we want to just use our elevator underneath the nail. So that's quite soft and squishy, likely to be the fungus that's lurking around. So just really gently. Again, really gently, not too much. And ideally you can pop that out. Like that. So that was easier, isn't it? Nail root doesn't look too damaged, which is good. And what you want to do is see if this layer will come off in one go. Yeah. So what we can see is that the nail is very curved, conforming to the shape of the nail bed. It's actually surprised that he doesn't have much ingrown nail. And then you can see that on the nail bed itself, there's a lot of debris. So we're just going to clean that out. Let me wipe that out for you. So we're going to just remove all of that. Like that, very easily. Pull that away. Toe is and just move that away. And I feel like when I peel the skin away, it causes less trauma than trying to pull it into it. That looks really good actually. I'm very happy with that. Might just do a little bit of touch up. Just going to look inside the root of the nail. So looking for any pieces that might be remaining. So I don't particularly like these kind of little tiny abrasions on the top of the nail bed. So I'm just going to gently debride it. And let's pause the video. I'm going to have to very gently scrape this back. You see? Just take off that. Again, just be very gentle. Excellent. Can I have some antiseptic, please? Excellent. Perfect, so happy with that. Okay, we're all done.